as you can see, ain't the best weather today. So we're about to take 111 shots in a thunderstorm. Guess who's back again? He thought it was going to be a nice day. I lied. So we've got 110 left in this crazy weather, but we're not going to be doing just free kicks. We'll be doing free kick, in and out of cone and shooting, penalties, all different types of techniques. Let's go. Right, so this can be quick fire, 5 penalties. Let's go. Ah!
I know his tricks now. I know his tricks. He would never do that to me. Not on a day like this.
Got to try it, innit? Enough messing around. No more chips. That's how we're starting this video. Let's go. Woohoo! What's that? Wrap it in there. Oh no! What I wanted then was a 1-2 off the post, just to basically do this after. Sometimes it's that easy, and Max is not ready for today because that one's too easy. We'll get a bit of skill involved. Onto free kicks. So now we're moving on to free kicks. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 balls. Let's see the consistency. Let's go. Attempt number 1. Oh, I love football. So what I call that is top binners. Thank you. But that's not it, because I did say consistency, didn't I? So can we do it again? Oh! Oh my God, what a save. Come on, Bill. Tappy tappy top corner. This wind is crazy, man. Look at it. Look at it. It's not ideal. It doesn't do it justice on the camera, but it is a fun storm out here. Bounce before the goal. Keeper can't get there. Unlucky, Max, mate. Last one, Max. Look at Max. Look at Max.
No, right, it's too windy for this. Bill, get me out of here.
See this one, guys. Bloody hell. Look at that, look. Look. This is mad. If you haven't played football in thunderstorms before, well done. You ready, Max? Thanks for coming. On to the next. So, because it is a thunderstorm, you can't see the shirt, but big up Zidane. Can I get a bit of Zidane in me right now, please? Thank you. You ready? This one's called the tic-tac-toe. Put it in the top bins. Oh. Oh. That was close, man. That was close. Not close enough. That ain't good enough. It's not good enough. Come on. Oh! Oh my God. Hit the post. Hit the post. This is the one. Balls matching the cones. Only need one thing. Yep. As you can see, the tripods are falling over and all sorts. This weather was absolutely crazy. We have never played football in a thunderstorm so bad. But now, watch this goal. Oh my god! How'd you feel about that, mate? How'd you feel about that? Talking to the mic.
I didn't see it, it was too windy, rain was in my eyes, but I reckon I could have saved it.
Oh,
you know?
shut up, you idiot. You wouldn't have saved that.
Easy.
All I'm hearing is waffle, 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 man. So, guys, he's saying, what are you saying?
I'm saving that. On a
You're
good day.
saving that.
Of course I will.
Replay that back again quickly now. So you think you're saving that top bins?
Yep, yep. If it weren't for these conditions out here today, that's an easy save, you know.
You are waffle. Go away. And while I got you here, thank you so much for subscribing already. If you haven't, after this video, click that subscribe button, leave a comment what you want to see next, and drop a like. It is still thunderstorms out here, but this is quick fire. 5, let's go. 1. Ah. What a save.
What the hell? Oh! Fuck off! Right. That is the worst pain known to man. Oh, it's so cold for it.
Get on with it. Get back in goal. Got one more shot, yeah? Not every day where it has to be at the height. It can be bottom bins. On to the next stage. Max is going to have to spray me a ball into that D. Good quality, please. And then run into the goal whilst I touch it and try and save it. Let's go. What a save that is, by the way. What a save. Fair play, fair play. Ain't done yet, mate. That's one. Let's go. Touch. That's how you do it. He's getting annoyed now because the touch is just, it's there. Weak foot. Whoa! I'll deal with it. Oh! Oh, that was so close. That was so close. You tested me on that one. Fizz it in. Come on, what you got? Let's have it. Fizz it in. What? Touch, bang. Let's have it. Right, so I'm putting this square out to make it that bit harder. I've got to touch it and get my shot off in this square. Max, you got the pass for that, yeah? Let's go. I'll keep it in. Oh, good save that. That'll do. Come on, man, you ain't stopping them. You ain't stopping them. Posting in, let's have it. Let's make it smaller. Let's really test me. Hit me old chest, mate, you know what I mean? Good chip. That'll do. Oh. Post. That post loves me, man. Come on. This one's the one. I'll keep it in. I'll touch it there. I'll say, thanks very much. So that post is really starting to annoy me. Keep hitting it. That right post, not anymore though. The weather has not stopped. The weather has not stopped. So let's keep going. That's nice. Guys at home, thanks for coming. Cheers. Right, on to skill shots. Let's go. What we got? What we got? That's the first attempt. I'm not done yet. That was sick. That was so sick. Oh! I've nearly got the back heel. So this one, if you come closer, this is the ball. This is my face. I'm not even gonna look at it. From now, I'm not even gonna look. I know where the ball is. Did he save it?
Remember earlier? Come here, come here. Run it back quickly. Remember earlier when he said, oh, you got no chance of getting them? Picture that in that corner there.
Talking to the mic.
I didn't see it, it was so windy, rain into my eyes, but I reckon I could have saved it.
Oh,
you know?
shut up, you idiot. You wouldn't have saved that.
Easy. So that
I didn't
goal
say
there,
that.
That one there.
I didn't say that.
Told you.
What are you talking about?
Easy.
I didn't say that.
Making it too easy. Making it too easy.
Oh, we'll try it again. We'll try it again. Don't worry about that. If you fail the first time, remember, never give up. Ball, face. Look away, Billy. You don't even need to see it. Did it go in or not? No way did it hit there. We've got to check this footage. Oh, guys, this is crazy right now. We need to get this shot. Let's go. Stop it dead. Have my last look. Connect with the ball. If it stops being windy. Look away. For that, that's why you never give up. Right, guys, so this next one, Mac's gonna clip it into me. My first touch has to be impeccable. I've got to put it through the gate, out my feet, and obviously put it top corner. Let's go. Oh. Yes, Max. So, the quality's there. Zing it, come on, quality. Yes. See that touch there? It's lovely. Through the gate. Right, so it was here. I'm bringing it in. Let's really test our touch. Vamos! What a save!
Yeah, man.
No, Max, through the gate. What I call that, say this is the post. Tuck it away. Right, guys, if you come in, we're gonna make it the near on impossible. Let's go. Cheers. Yeah, seed it. Pro Club, sign me up. So, that was obviously too easy. Now, the ball is just gonna fit through. Let's go. That perch was unbelievable. We're gonna get this. We're gonna get this. Ding it. Yeah! Come on! So that, I've just made the impossible possible.